Hello members, this is Aman from Upmove Stocks. We hope that you are doing well. So another week has closed today. So first of all, we would like to wish you Merry Christmas. So it will be tomorrow on 25th of December. So but we are wishing you in advance. So Merry Christmas to you and your family members and your friends and relatives. So we will be doing Nifty 50 analysis to start with. We have received some queries as to why we don't do Nifty 50 analysis on a daily basis. The main reason is that because a lot of people are already doing that on YouTube. So our main focus is on stocks rather than on Nifty 50 and Bank Nifty. But when we see certain things, when we see something important happening in Nifty 50 or Bank Nifty, then we would like to share our opinion on like what can happen in the coming days. So we will be covering Nifty 50 today, but we will also be posting a stock analysis in the evening. So that will continue to happen. And Nifty 50 and Bank Nifty we will do as and when there will be a need, because a lot of information is already available on the internet, YouTube, and like every other analyst is providing information on Nifty 50 and Bank Nifty, and they are good in their work. So we believe that we don't need to do something which is already been done by other people. So we will be doing Nifty 50 as and when there is a need. So to begin with, what happened today? So this is a flag that we had shared previously in our Nifty 50 analysis, fall from 18,600 to 16,400. If you haven't checked that, you should check that, because you would like learn a lot from it. उसमें से आपको बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिलेगा. So if you want to like learn something in technical analysis, then you should watch that video first. We will post the link of that video in the description box of this video. So what happened today? Now the news is not good if we see it on daily charts, because again a bearish engulfing candle has formed today. You can see that. Okay, earlier it had formed on 13th of December, which was misjudged by us because we thought that it could be a possible trap. So today also it had formed a bearish engulfing pattern. Okay, so exactly it is more or less the same thing. Earlier there were short wicks on both the upside and on both the upper end and the lower end. Today there is a wick only on the lower, you can say only the lower wick is present in this candle. So yes, Nifty did go down and touched the level of 16,910, but then it went up in the day itself and also tried to like close above 17,075. It was only in the last half an hour that it again fell down from around 17,0662 to 16,999 or maybe 17,000, whatever the closing is. We believe that it is 17,003. It is coming at 17,000 as of now in Gizarodha, but it is 17,003. So Nifty 50 has managed to close above 17,000, which is a psychological figure. So yes, there will be some pressure on bears, but we cannot say that yes, Nifty 50 is very strong. We have already mentioned multiple times, till the time it doesn't enter this flag, it will continue to remain weak. But again, if anyone wants to learn technical analysis and wants to like not like imagine what is happening on the chart and not and to be sure what will happen in the days to come or make a perfect analysis, he or she should not be doing analysis only on the daily charts. Because when we are doing analysis of any stock or any index, maybe for a shorter time, yes, you can use daily chart, but when you need to make projections for a week, maybe or a month, then you have to consider other time frames as well. So what we will do, we will show you the weekly chart of Nifty 50, which is indicating something else. So you can see that Nifty, this flag, it today, the candle that has closed today, that the candle that we can see in the weekly charts is a hammer candle. Okay, this candle you can see. Just a second, I'm just making it more visible for you. Okay, so this is a hammer candle. You can see the lower wick is, or the lower wick should be twice the body of the real body of the candle. So this is the real body, okay, and the lower wick should be twice of this body to be called as a hammer candle. This candle has formed in the downtrend. You can see that there was a downtrend in Nifty 50. Okay, from the month of from the week of 18th of October. So this was the candle for this candle is for 18th, for the week that ended on 18th of October, and this is for the week that has ended today. So there was a downtrend, and in this downtrend we can see that a hammer has formed. So a hammer has a lot of value in technical analysis because it shows that there was a selling pressure that that forced Nifty 50 to go down to a significant level, which is in our case is 16,410. But again, the buyers were, or the bulls were strong. They like dominated the market and they pushed the prices back to a higher level. And not only that, they were able to close Nifty 50 above its opening level. See, the opening level was 16,824 and the closing is around, you can say, 17,000, 17,003. So this clearly indicates that bulls were able to control Nifty 50 even when there was a strong fall from the levels of 16,824 if you take the open only, and it made a high of 17,151 as well. But you can say that even when Nifty 50 fell down to the levels of 16,410, bulls were able to control the market and push the prices up and were able to dominate the market, even though as of now it might be appearing to you that Nifty 50 is in a very negative zone. Yes, it is weak on a daily horizon. Okay, if you see the daily charts, you will see a bearish engulfing candle. But if you will see a weekly chart, if you will see the weekly chart of Nifty 50, you will see a hammer candle, which has formed in the downtrend. So a hammer forming in the downtrend can be a sign of potential reversal in Nifty 50 in the days to come. So we might see certain amount of selling maybe on Monday, Tuesday, but there is a possibility that we might resume some positive strength in Nifty 50 in the maybe by the end of next week or next week, because this hammer candle has to, if this hammer candle has to work, Nifty 50 has to reverse from its bearish trend to bullish trend. So this hammer can holds a significant value in technical analysis, provided the next week's candle manages to close above this candle. So that will indicate significant strength in Nifty 50 on a longer time frame, not on a shorter time frame. On shorter time frame, yes, because we have like formed a bearish engulfing candle. So today American markets are closed, so we don't know because we don't know as to how they will perform on Monday. But yes, because those markets were closed and there was uncertainty about the market, we did see sharp selling from the levels of 17,151 today, and Nifty 50 fell down by maybe 150, around 150 points, 150 you can say approximately. So 150, not because it fell to a level of 16,910. So 90 plus 50, around 140 points you can say from the highs, but it then again managed to go up, then it again closed at 17,000. On daily charts, Nifty 50 looks weak as it has formed a bearish engulfing candle, and on weekly charts, it looks quite strong because it has formed a hammer. But this hammer will work only when the next week's candle manages to close above the close, or better the high of this candle, or it would be better if it manages to close above the high of this candle. So weekly charts indicate that Nifty 50 is strong. Daily charts indicate that Nifty 50 is weak. Now we will try to study Nifty 50 on a very lower time frame. We will take the time frame of 1 hour. Okay, so there's nothing significant in 1 hour. Yes, you can say that like a small type of spinning top, or nothing significant is happening there, but you can see that it did found support at 16,936 today. So let us take 15 minutes. Okay, so there is nothing significant. Yes, it looks a little weak as of now, because we can see that just a second. Okay, so now we can see that Nifty, if we take this trend line into consideration, like on a very shorter time frame, we will try to see that Nifty 50 first took support today at around 16,910. Then it took support around 16,941, and then if it would have come back here, then it would have taken support somewhere around 16,973. So we can say that even in the shorter time frame, this is very important thing that you should learn. Even in shorter time frame, Nifty 50 is making higher lows. It means like every low is higher than the previous one. But there is only one problem. The problem is that you can see that it has made a kind of, okay, it is not a double top, we would say. So yeah, you can say that if a double top has to be taken, it will be something like this from here. So there is a possibility that on Monday, if Nifty 50 does fall down, it might try to obtain support at this line. However, if this line is broken, if this support is broken on the shorter time frame, then we might see further fall in Nifty 50. Then the levels will be, you can identify the levels yourself if you are a call or put buyer. So you can identify the levels yourself. But yes, today it did took support of this trend line. This trend line has 2 points, one this one and this one. So this is a kind of analysis you should do on daily basis if you are a Nifty 50 trader, so that you can identify as to which call or put option you need to buy on the next day. However, we give calls in the live market, so we have higher probability of like maybe you can say success as well as failures, because everything is like in case of option and futures bank, it is very quick. So it is, you don't have time to like take a very quick decision. If you are a working professional, you should not do options at all and futures at all, because you will not be able to concentrate on the screen the entire day. So coming back to the point, yes, if Nifty 50 breaks the level, so we like let us suppose the market opens on Monday here, it touches here 19670, sorry 16970, 16972, and then again bounces back. So there is a probability that we might see a double top forming on Nifty 50, which is a kind of, you can say, a reversal, which is a kind of which would kind of indicate a reversal in Nifty 50, but for a shorter time frame, because it is a 15-minute chart. So there is a possibility that Nifty 50 might touch here, then it might go here, then it might come back here, and if it breaks down this support line like this, then you can take a put option here. Please don't take a put option. We are just giving an overview. However, if it breaks this support line on the upside, then there could be a potential upside for Nifty 50. So these two things you can take into consideration. One is this level and the other one is this level. Why we have drawn this level? This is the support line when the Nifty is falling, and this is the resistance zone where Nifty 50 found resistance today. It did found some resistance here also, but now in the end it found resistance at this level. It went up here, or you can say that this is some kind of a Nifty 50 will find some kind of resistance at the level of, I will just share the information with you. It is 16064. So Nifty 50 is likely to find some resistance at 16064 only on short-term charts. Even on long-term charts, it is going to find, but yes, as a shorter time frame is indicating that Nifty 50 will find some resistance at 17064, and it is likely to find support around 16970, maybe 16975. So if the market is in a consolidation zone, it will continue to operate within this region. However, if something significant happens in the US market, then we might see an uptrend move or a downtrend move, depending on how US markets open on Monday. So this is the way of identifying some critical levels on the Nifty 50, because a daily chart will not help you identify these levels. Only shorter time frames will help you identify these levels. So 15 minutes indicates support around this trend line and resistance around this trend line. So we hope that you would find this information useful, because we never do this kind of analysis. This is for the first time that we are showing support line and trend line on the, resistance line and support line on the 15-minute time frame, because we know that people try to buy put options, call options on the basis of this information. So we try to avoid that, but we have done some basic, very basic analysis. You will find better analysis this on YouTube, but yes, it is our duty as analysts to inform you. So you can see that on daily chart, you will not be able to find any levels. You will be able to find some significant major levels, but for put buyers, option buyers, shorter time frames are important, because they help to identify levels very clearly, okay, on shorter time frames and medium time frames like 1 hour, 2 hour maybe, but 15 minutes is the preferred time for intraday traders, most of the people that we know. So this is the kind of analysis that you should be doing on a daily basis if you want to become a professional analyst and don't want dependence on others. So yes, Nifty 50 is yet to touch this line. It has not been managed. It has not been able to close above this line. So Nifty 50 is still weak because the candle is a bearish engulfing one, and this time we don't want to make any mistakes. So if we see any kind of problem in Nifty 50 on Monday, we will either maintain stop losses in all of our positions, or we will exit as many as we can. So that we will come to know only on Monday, because the candles can show reversal, because this was a huge bearish engulfing. This is also a bearish engulfing candle because it has engulfed the previous candle. It has covered the previous candle. You can say it has eaten the previous candle, but it is not as strong as this one. Okay, so but ultimately it is a bearish engulfing candle. So it does indicate that bears were able to manage the control today, but weekly candle indicates something else. So this time it could be a possible trap, but this time we are not going to take any risk. We have already like made a blunder in the past, so we are not going to do that again. So we hope that you would like this video, and if you want this kind of analysis, more detailed analysis, we can do that. So you can post any comment, query, or suggestion that you may have in the comment section. Thanks a lot. This is Aman signing off. Bye bye. Take care.